autopilot currently unavailable. Features may be restored on next drive. Not sure what degraded that. I want to add a little commentary here in the voiceover. I didn't see any degradation immediately from that warning, but coming up here is a nice smooth transition from a 3-lane highway into an on-ramp for an interstate. It did a pretty good job doing this. Here's a left turn where I'm just to the left of two 18-wheelers. The light is immediately green, and the lane was so narrow and the trucks were so large, I was just holding the wheel firmly, and just at the last second the wheel started turning back to the right, which is where that second 18-wheeler was right next to me. So the disengagement was basically created just by me holding the wheel firmly as the car tried to veer a little bit to the right. It probably wouldn't hit the truck, but it was a little bit uncomfortable. In this clip, the car has to get over 3 lanes, preparing for a right turn as part of the navigation route. What I'm showing at the end of the clip is the car decelerates before it's putting on the turn signal in this current build. Early access has been made aware of this issue. I'm just kind of showing it in the clip, the amount of deceleration happening without a turn signal. Alright, it's slowing down now for a turn here, but the turn signal did not come on until right now at 27 miles an hour. So it slowed from 55 to 27 without a turn signal. They need to fix that.